Hello, I'm in a 2016 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you how you control your heated seats. So with the vehicle on, we could do controls, and then from here, your heated seats are right on the top. So now it's on a high setting, a low setting, and off, and it's the same for passenger seats. Same kind of buttons. And the easiest way to confirm if it's working is just while you're sitting in the seat. After a few minutes of it on, you should feel your butt starting to get hot. If these aren't working for some reason, the first thing I would check is your fuses. Maybe a burnt fuse, something like that could cause it to not connect properly. Also, sometimes potentially under the seat, maybe you've got like a loose connection, so you might need to check under there to make sure all the cables are attached properly. More rare situations, maybe you have a lot of liquid spillers and some of those seeped into the seat. Sometimes those can short out different heating mechanisms or airbag lights, things like that. And beyond that, maybe you have some sort of error in your computer here, so you might need to do like a reset for this display. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.